world. 7 o'clock comes early sometimes when you go to bed at 1 a.m. But not all the time. Early bird gets the worm, second mouse gets the cheese. We know the deal. I am up early, gonna bang out some emails, get the day started, because at 9 a.m., oh, look at that hair. This is fresh wake up hair, guys. You know how we do. But at 9 a.m., I'm doing a photo shoot with my man, Nicola Rinaldo. Gonna be some lacrosse, might have to pop the top, who knows? But pretty excited about that. And then Thursday, baby, you know how we do. Grinding. I hope y'all are grinding out there. This'll get me going. If I'm not already going,
So my man Matt Callahan hit me up. He was like, yo, bruh, don't be vlogging and driving. And I was like, dang, dude. If he tells me not to do it, I've been saying it. I know Kong's been saying it. To be fair, Kong's been saying it. But, you know, he's big bro. It's like, yeah. But man hit me up with that text at like 5:30 in the morning. Like, yo, don't be texting and driving, bro. If I could comment, I'd call you out. And I was like, bro, whoa.
Live here with my man Nicola, Curtis, Kong, and Steph. Hey, Steph. About to get this shoot in. Drone action, baby. Ooh. But are you ready, though?
Yeah, as I cut layers, I'll switch over.
Daily vlog. What's up, Thrilla Nation? I'm not Thrilla. I think you guys know that. He's back there getting after it with the crew.
Vlog action with my man Nicola, doing a little wall ball shoot. Let's get it, drone action.
Thrilla, just kidding. It's Kong. Here with Nicola, doing his work. He's a beast. Check him out. Instagram's on point. I look crazy. Girl's crushing it. I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, it's not Thriller again. And Nicola just hit throw with the camera, the drone, and I think it's okay. I don't know. Stephanie says it's okay, so it's okay.
Drone fail. Thrilla's too big. The drone couldn't track me because I was too big. Drone smoked me in the shoulder, but come on. Drone versus Thrill, Thrill won. Too big, I'm too big.
It's Kong on Thrilla's vlog, aka the human sandbag, holding the light. What's up? Thrilla's crushing it. I can't turn it around. What's up?
Finish the shoot with Nicola. Thrill versus drone. Boom. You know who won, baby. My man Nicola, very talented. Check him out on Instagram at Nicola Rinaldo. Give the man a follow. Pumping out some awesome shots. Kong was there crushing it. Behind the scenes, directing, producing. That's how we do. Now we're heading over to Edge. Get this lifty in. Superman gains, baby. Superman gains. My man Nicola Rinaldo, turnaround time is next level. He already threw over the video. It's gonna get posted to IG today. Some pics too. You guys get the sneak peek. But now Kong and I are headed over to Chipotle, grab a quick bowl before we meet up with DJ Kobe to finish this Thrilla Mix Tape. You're coming along, baby. Post-workout, Superman bottle. Cheers. I am Zach G. What up, baby?
Man, how you doing?
Chilling. How you living?
Good, man.
The realest rapper in the game right here.
Thanks, man.
The rapping receptionist rapper. iHeartMedia. In the studio with my man DJ Kobe, baby.
Get it.
That Thrilla Mix Tape is dropping. Get ready. Here it comes. DJ Kobe, Thrilla the Con. Oh, that wasn't even me, but that was me. Woo! Thrilla Life, baby. My man DJ Kobe throwing me on the radio
What up?
cues. Hot 107.9. Gonna be live at what, 5:30?
Well, between 5:30 and 5:35.
Ooh, we in there, baby.
Drive time.
Drive time. If you listening, wait. I don't know. You'll see this tomorrow. But either way, I was on the radio. No, we're good. That's good. We cut that. That's cut.
What do you want to talk about?
That's a wrap. Mixtape was cut. Should be dropping next week, Hong Kong.
Yeah, it's dropping.
Kong was on there spitting bars, bro.
In the closet.
Woo! He hit that Eminem. Cleaning out the closet. Woo-hoo. Let's go get some core.
Yes.
Let's go get some core. Hey, hey, hey. Day. I work hard every day. No matter what they say.